So this is the cord I'm swapping out for my radar detector hardwire install. You can see the stock one kind of is fraying out. I'm gonna run this hard line, all right? So what we're gonna do, we come in here, we're gonna run from the cigarette outlet right there, behind the carpet, up the A-pillar over, and then we're gonna go drop a little cord down to the radar detector mount right here. Let's get started. Since I have a convertible here, we're gonna start with removing this, this sun visor trim piece right here, since the A-pillar gets tucked behind that. So there's a little cover right here. You're gonna pretty much pop that off and expose two fasteners. Here's the cover popped off and the two Torx fasteners exposed. So go ahead and remove that. With those two fasteners removed, this is loose now. Pop this off just like that. Now we can expose the A-pillar right here to remove this. On the convertible, you have these two tabs right here, and this is one tongue. So those tabs are gonna go like one right here and one right here. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is pop this trim piece off right here. There's these two tongues right there, as well as these two, one right here and one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right in there. Pop that off. Next thing I'm gonna do is pull the vent out. The way you do that, there's these little, this is gonna be impossible to see. These clips right here, you push these down with like a pick tool and you can slide this out. So we can get access to this carpet down here and the cigarette lighter. Go ahead and remove your floor mats or anything rubber mats down below. Go ahead and remove this black felt cap liner right here. So I went ahead and fed this cord through this metal bracket right here just to keep it kind of like in place. Tuck out of the way so we can put the A-pillar back in place. And then I snuck it up here and then I dropped it down behind my Easy Pass down into the radar detector. Added a zip tie right here and a zip tie right here to the metal frame of the car, and the course doesn't really jostle around, stays in place as well. I went ahead and pushed the vent back in place and this trim piece back on. I like the zip tie right here because you can pull up and it pretty much locks it in place right here. First, put the A-pillar back in place and then put your sun visor on, do the two bolts right here, and then put your cap on. All right, we pulled the carpet back, routed the cable pretty much back here, pull the carpet back right here. Okay, and then put the cable all on there, plug it in right here, and you're good to go. All right, guys, there's one option on how to hardwire your radar detector in your Porsche 911 Cayman or Boxer. If this video helped you out, give it a little thumbs up. If you have any questions, put a comment below, consider subscribing. And the cable I used for this install is linked in the description below the video. So if you want to use that, you can put a link down there, and we'll see you next time.